It's been nearly a year since the standard gauge railway started operating in Kenya, linking Mombasa with the capital city Nairobi. Almost 1 million people have so far used the train. Both the port and railway form part of China's Belt and Road Initiative that aims to connect much of the world. The Chinese-built railway is Kenya's largest ever infrastructure project. It's reduced the travelling time between the two cities from 12 hours to just 4. Kenya's President Uhuru Kenyatta is among those who have used the train.
I actually feel grand. I think it's wonderful. A new experience and an experience that will be available for all our Kenyans at an affordable price.
For Kenya, though, the SGR does not end here. The construction of the second phase is currently underway. And for the entire region, that's just the beginning. The SGR will eventually link up to the entire region, making it easier for landlocked countries to get their goods out to Mombasa. Uganda is already at an advanced stage to build the track. Tanzania, Rwanda and South Sudan are all set to benefit. Back on the train, for passengers, cutting both time and cost has been well worth it.
You get to see wildlife.
It's a new thing in Kenya. We're excited. We are not stuck in traffic.
It's my first time on a train, actually, and it's good first impression.
The fares are low, and also the time. Previously, we used to travel almost 8 hours or 10 hours, spend the whole day. But now, 4 hours or 4.5 hours, you are in Mombasa.
Well, half the world away and traveling almost 3 times faster, we are in China, where the funding for the SGR came from. Here, technology takes a quantum leap on the Beijing to Shanghai high-speed rail. From Nairobi to Mombasa, it takes a leisurely 4.5 hours to cover 480 kilometers. On this train, we'll cover 1,400 kilometers in roughly the same time. The Fuxin, Chinese for rejuvenation, travels at 350 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest train in the world. Launched just last year, it's the first bullet train entirely designed and built by Chinese engineers. The train has all the elements of sophistication: free Wi-Fi, an advanced onboard monitoring system. It can also run at slower speeds in case of an emergency or abnormal conditions. The Fuxin has heralded in a new era for high-speed rail travel and is expected to boost the Chinese economy. Wang Chuanlin was involved in the construction of the Yaji railways, Africa's first electrified railway connecting Ethiopia and Djibouti, which was launched in 2016. The railways were constructed entirely by Chinese expertise. The route cut travel times from Ethiopia's capital Addis Ababa to Djibouti to just 12 hours, down from 3 days.
After the opening of the Mombasa-Nairobi Railway and the Yaji Railway, traffic conditions in the area have been greatly improved, making it more convenient for people to travel. It has boosted local economic development, enhanced local employment, and in particular, the skill levels of African personnel has improved.
China has up to 22,000 kilometers of rail track. That's 60% of the world's total. And the government wants to do more by building more high-speed railways, not just in China, but all over the world.
With the gradual development and improvement of China's high-speed railway network, the introduction of these railways will become more and more prevalent in other countries because the high-speed rail has shortened the length of travel time, changed the way people travel, and helped develop the region economically.
For China, though, it's not just about speeding rail technology into the future, but also about rejuvenating Africa. Kiyo, CGTN, Beijing, China.